Okay, so I already started here. So today, more parser. More parser.
Oh, okay, Lemos. I remember that just now, and maybe it's even a good thing to be recorded. But I was talking with a guy that also do like Twitch stuff, and
Mm-hmm.
and he gave me an idea. Maybe it's a good thing for us to have like overlays and stuff, like that appears into the
Overlay.
screen on Twitch.
Yeah, but
Uh,
I
What?
will assign you to put all the effort into that. I'm not
What?
gonna do
okay,
it.
I think
Oh
it's
wait,
fair,
wait. What
but
do you mean overlays? You mean like overlays
Like imagine
videos?
having the screen here, and then at the bottom here we have the chat.
Oh, okay. I see. Yes, makes sense.
Yeah, we're
Because
gonna have the
sometimes,
chat just to know
not that
that
we have,
nobody is there.
not that. Yes, that's
oh
nice.
man. Mm, But the use case that I was thinking about is regarding put some kind of description of what we are doing, because that way we can go to the video a lot faster,
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
right?
How to append? Do you know how to do that in Lisp, Nugget? How to append
Isn't it just cons?
A list or string?
Oh,
A
okay.
list. So it's
yeah, a
just
list.
list, man, or cons.
Wait, you mean like two lists?
No, I want to append one element to
Oh, that's
array.
the cons.
Yeah, you can use cons.
So you
Cons
just do
is
cons,
con. Yeah,
and
the
then you
first
do
dude.
the first dude, which is gonna be value, and the
Mhm.
list.
Yeah.
Nice. Uh,
Let me
okay.
see what is the crap you're doing. So let me see. You have an aux function. What is this aux, by the way?
This is gonna be inside an flet inside here,
So you're just making it outside.
just to not confuse my mind,
Okay.
because I will.
Yeah, sure.
But Magetta, I think he's quite fluent, man, on the parentheses. If you
Yeah,
saw
he
what
is.
he did there,
He
he lay out,
layered the. Yeah,
laid down.
he
Yeah, he
placed all of
placed.
them, right?
Yeah, he placed all the parentheses and then he did the code. He's
Yeah.
thinking in terms of parentheses, man.
But I have to say this again, man. It's very funny watching Lemos doing parentheses, like doing Lisp. That's funny, man. I don't know why. It's just funny.
Oh, I just thought about something else that I love about Lisp, and well, especially Lemos doing Lisp, is that he cannot put the parentheses wrong.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
there is
That's
no way.
There's no inconsistency.
Like in all the other languages that I ever saw, Lemus has a strange thing with parentheses. In
No, no,
Lisp,
no, no, no,
it's
no.
impossible.
No, that's you saying,
And I
and you
think this
are
package,
overreacting.
and I think this package actually makes it very cute. Like all colorful and all the parentheses like a rainbow.
Oh
Looks
yeah.
cute, man.
Not as good as the transparent one, right?
But
But
yeah, that
good enough.
I still gonna make that package. I will do it eventually.
Okay, so this instead of def fun should be flat.
Yeah.
Flat. And now we need to add even more parentheses.
Yes.
So
Double, right? Because you need the name plus the
okay, so we're gonna put something like this.
yes, and just down here. Oops.
Ooh,
Here.
wait.
What is the loop there?
The
It's the
loop is
same
the
one
name
as
of the
this,
function, and then should be
which
like
basically is
this.
running a parser, right? It's picking the input and it's
Oh
trying to run the
man.
parser multiple times.
Okay.
And then it's
Then
accumulating the results in a list. And because we're gonna have to do the same crappy thing that Zozin did, which is to reverse the list at the
oh,
Well.
I see.
Oh man, this is so not elegant at all, but okay.
Let me see.
Oh, he's doing mutation on that thing.
Yeah,
Yeah, at
his
least it's
accumulator
hidden.
is not pure.
Yeah, but
Oh,
it's
okay. I
hidden
see.
mutation, so it's okay.
It is referential, referent.
But what the
Yeah, but
fuck?
it's
That,
inside
that
the
doesn't look
function.
like makes sense, Magita. What he's doing.
What's the problem?
Let me read. Wait. So he gets a
Because
reference for a list,
Yeah.
and then he do a loop.
No.
Okay.
No,
Dude,
he's
if it,
just declaring the loop. He's calling it here.
yeah, but dude, if he's doing that, why he's not using a for? Already, like, okay, but anyway, like he's doing a loop with the input.
Yeah.
Okay,
No,
and
but
then
this
he
is not the
does.
input. This is not this input, by the way.
Yes, I know this. Yeah. So and then he does uh input prime
Which is
and the
running after
result.
running the parser.
Okay, I remember this because this is his type, right?
Yeah.
I are we following the same rule? We are, right?
Yeah,
Oh
we are
wait,
doing the
okay,
same
so
thing.
we should pattern match with the new input at the tuple of the new input and the
Yeah.
success or failure value.
Yeah.
Okay. And then he does match the result if it's okay. He assigns the oh okay, so he concats the head, this value that he got with the list.
Yeah.
He calls again with the rest of the input.
Yeah.
Cool. Otherwise, and in case of an
And this
error,
is
he
and
just
this is the
spits
stop
the
case of the recursion, by the way.
yeah, he just spits the same input without any change.
Yeah.
And then he calls the thing,
Yeah, because here it's just
okay,
declaring. Right?
and then the result is the new input plus the success case with the list reverted. Oh, I see. Because this is
Lemus,
covered.
but the thing I find weird
Oh no.
is
That's,
that this simple mutation regarding looping and stuff, it's exactly the same thing as not doing mutation,
Oh yeah, I
like
don't know
regarding
why
the
he
loop.
decided to.
But maybe it's something regarding allocation, right? I don't know, because regarding the loop itself,
oh man, it doesn't complete here, right?
doesn't make sense.
Let me see if I can complete. So lists. Yeah, no, it completes here. I do
Okay,
have
for me it
stuff.
doesn't. See if you have reverse
Yeah, I do.
clip. Okay.
But don't we have
Does it do
something to
what we
append?
expect it to do?
Oh, we have append. We have append. Wait. Append? No. Append.
But we
Okay.
don't need to
But this
append, right?
append is probably to list, man.
No, let's
Yeah, but
see. We have documentation, man.
yeah, but we don't need to append, right? We just have the cons.
No, but if we do the cons, I think we're gonna have to do the same thing that Zosing did, reversing at the end. I want to skip this step.
No, but if it's a list and you are putting on the end, that's really bad, Lemus.
Yes, man.
No, I know it's not efficient. I know. But
Can
wait,
you
Well,
even
what the?
do that on here? Like on these structures? I don't think it does that.
wait. Where?
Like all these built-in functions, I don't think they insert something in the end. Like
I don't think they would provide that to you.
yes, man.
Only in the one in like insert add, but not at the end, right? You would have to get the length and such. So
No,
that's
no, they
really
do.
bad.
They do at the end. Look.
No way. Why is?
Returns. Oh no, but it's appending
But
lists.
if they
It's
did
not
that, I'd start
inserting. It's
laughing
Well,
appending
so
wait.
hard.
lists.
Hey, you can like wrap in a list. It's the same.
Yeah, but do we want to do that? What do you think, Maggot?
Like it's as bad as the thing you were doing.
Just revert, man. What's the issue with that?
Yeah, I
Ah,
would prefer that also.
that sucks. I don't
How
think
does that suck?
it's so I don't know, man. Not elegant at all. That
Yeah,
sucks.
screw elegance. Just focus on pragmatism.
I would
So
say that.
Ah, man, I'm not liking this new phase of Magid.
My god.
I'm just I'm just rebelling because I'm pissed with the. I had a thing to do. Just sidetracking here, real quick. I have a thing to do in C sharp today, and then I just said, "Oh man, I could do this right, but it's just a shitty thing. Like I don't want to lose time doing this." And then I just did the switch case in C sharp like real quick. Then it solved the issue, and that's it. And then I sent the code to Victor to review. Victor and Benet. And then it was like something different than new. Like that was the check. And then like they started like making fun of me because well I do. But that was
Oh man.
I wanna nuke that system anyway.
Am I breaking the right parentheses? I'm not
Yes.
quite sure. Oh yes, okay, nice.
Oh wait, no, wait. If you want to is inside the lambda, correct?
No, yeah, I want this inside the lambda, but also,
So it should be one more.
no,
Yeah.
no, like this, right?
Yes, inside the flat,
Yeah,
inside the
yeah,
window.
yeah,
Magueta,
Mhm.
Lemus after 3 years of Lisp. Do I need the extra?
yeah. No. I'm already not asking for need extra. Pay attention.
Okay. Is
Now we need
where
a
to
let
put
here.
the thing?
We need to declare this guy now, which I'm gonna call final input, which will be basically calling loop with with the input of the lambda, and yeah, like this. And then we need to return a tuple now. So it's gonna be
Wait, isn't
tuple.
that inside the flat?
Yeah,
Yes, the tuple is.
I mean, the let
Oh,
and
but
the
he
whole
needs to
thing.
match. No, he's already doing that. Yeah.
okay, so final input,
Yes.
success.
But wait, why do you need to do this?
Because the return of every single parser needs to be a tuple. And this is a parser. So we already did the middle part, and now this is the return because you already have the lambda. So
The return of the lambda, the loop, isn't it that already a parser?
the return of
Oh
the
no, that's
loop.
just the input, right? Never mind. That's
Yeah.
just the input. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now we need the value. Oh. Oh, I forgot a thing, man. We need a let before the f let to make the accumulator. Oh crap. Oh no, I can make it here. I
Let's
forgot.
see.
Nice. So this is parser. How do you do an empty list like this?
Just remove the quote. Yeah, just like that. That's fine.
That's fine, he say. Oh, there's another problem though,
Hmm.
which is that at the end of this function, we need to also to return. We need to return a tuple here. Oh no, we need the accumulator back.
Oh, okay, makes sense. Yes. So we need
But
to
now we need to
match.
pattern match. No.
What do you
Yeah.
mean? Isn't pattern match the thing we love?
Yeah, not in this, I guess.
Not in
Not
this
in this.
context.
Not in this context, yes.
Oh, man.
Oh no. Uh, what's the best way to do this, Magita?
I think it's a tuple, man.
We need to pattern match the
Unfortunately.
tuple?
Yes.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah. Just
Okay,
accept the fate, man.
so it's gonna be case this, case this, uh, and then here, and now comes the this, I guess. Then you put tuple,
You're getting pretty good at this, man.
final input,
And ACC?
ECC, and then in here we do tuple,
Yeah.
final input, success, and now we need to reverse, so lists,
Mhm.
reverse, ACC. And now we
Oops.
just need to add more parentheses and remove the let.
We need another case, right? We
Why?
need to because we need to pattern match if it's a success.
Wait, what?
Oh no, never mind. Like you will keep doing this until it finds a fader,
Yeah,
right?
pretty much.
Okay, makes sense.
Okay, and now we can nuke this. Okay, we don't know if it works, but at least it's.
Yeah. Let's try. Can you open the REPL?
uh,
Open on the terminal on the Visual Studio.
how do I do that? Oh, here, new terminal.
Oh no, your configs got wrecked. But I think the shell doesn't matter. Try
The shell
It
doesn't
looks
matter.
so
the
cool, man,
REPL.
your terminal.
Looks like I don't know. That looks like a 80s style like programming.
I would say it looks like how can
A
I say,
fancy 80s actually.
like nicknames that you
How do
use
I
like
run
in
this,
games, like
Magenta?
all styles and
Oh,
shit.
like forum
Like
names,
did
right?
it tank, you know?
Oh man, did the tank. I used to play that.
How do I run this, Magenta? I have no idea.
Just run the name of the language LFA. Um, Lemos.
No, I'm here.
Okay, just enter. I thought you died for a second.
No, because I was
Dude,
half of my mind
open a
was thinking
normal
how
terminal, man.
terrible this
This is
is,
triggering
Yeah,
Magenta.
and
open
the
an
other half was
open a normal terminal, man. This is horrible.
it's
No,
the
I mean
same.
like open a normal one. Just yeah,
Oh, a normal one. You mean this?
yeah. Don't need to open on the place.
Okay,
So
so I do
just run
LFA.
LFA. Mhm.
Nice.
I like the logo.
I also.
Just copy the code and paste it there.
Hey, but shouldn't the handle be a bit more to the right?
The handle.
Yeah, the hand of the cup he's talking
Oh,
about.
oh, oh! It's kind of tilted, like it's flipped a little bit, you know.
uh,
Oh, to give the more 3D impression, right?
Yeah. It's
I
like
see.
there's
3D
a
nice.
problem with your strategy of copy pasting, Magento, which is that we need to copy paste a lot of stuff in order to that function to work.
Yeah, just do Control A and then Control C there. That's
Oh
it.
no.
What's the issue? I don't see. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh,
Uh,
probably you copied
Paste.
the module as well.
Well,
Yeah, but I think it ignored. Okay.
it seemed to have worked.
Okay,
Okay.
now try. Let's try with the mini.
Oh man, do you have an example like right away to test this? Because we're
Nope.
gonna have to think now. We have a
Yes.
many. Many is not a simple one.
Well, we can try with the char. Many char of like A, like parser for the char. A.
Do we have a parser for char?
I think we have a sample of a parser called up there. Go up, go up, go
You can
up,
also go up, man.
go. Oh yeah, but I want you to. I'm watching via the screen. Oh,
Oh,
there.
oh
You see?
here. Any char.
Yeah. No, but look at the comment above. Yeah.
Oh, here you
So
mean.
just copy that crap without the comment, obviously.
Without the comment. Okay.
Yeah, that thing. I don't know why it doesn't work.
Yeah, but there, I think I'm also. Wait. No, man. This is not the any char. This is the
No, I
wrap.
know. I know. That's just a sample to call the stuff because I forgot, man. My brain is just stores like some kilobytes of information. That's it.
Kilobytes.
oh,
Okay, so we are gonna start with what here?
We need to start. We need to do any char. I think any char is a good one because it's the easiest one ever.
Remember me the parameters.
No characters found. Oh,
by
it's go. Nathan.
by the way, Lemos, do you know any other like good reference for parsers? Like in the sense of a more efficient or maybe a more like practical parser than like the
Practical
original
parser.
paper?
I like the choice of word there, not the practical parser.
Uh,
That's
yeah,
interesting.
in the sense of that's really good for a car, what we see in that paper, but some other things need to be addressed, right? For you to use in production. So
Auto
that's what I mean
parsec,
by
man.
practical. What?
Auto parsec.
Auto parsec.
Yeah, it's this. Auto parsec. It's this.
I never
Oh,
heard of
okay,
it.
everything. Oh, but you don't have a paper, just the have implementation, right?
Well, maybe they do have a paper, and I don't know.
Okay, but that's
Can you
already a good thing.
check f parsec as well, Donata? I don't know if they are like blazing fast, but I know they're pretty optimized, and
Okay,
they have a cool thing with a state monad in the
F
parser.
parsec, you said?
Yeah, for F sharp.
Yeah, I think it's the F sharp representative.
Okay.
Anyway, so this is gonna be this, and then we need to make an input now.
Yeah, but it doesn't take a parameter, right? It's just any char.
Yeah, that doesn't take a parameter. It's just any char.
But then what do we do here?
Um, how are we
Oh
not gonna
man,
make a char in this
can
case? Huh?
I do? I can type on your thing. That's fine. Oh, I don't have LFA because I am on Windows, the best operating system ever created.
And now this is recorded. We're gonna clip it and send to the right people.
Oh yeah,
To the right people.
to the ones, right?
Like the China Communist Party, right? Holy shit.
That's escalated quite a bit.
That's what.
That's escalated quite a bit.
Okay, I think I know how to test this. We're gonna
Yeah,
put we're gonna
I
put
can't run LFA, man. So it's up to you, Lance. I want
many,
you to test.
and then the make input will have a bunch of characters like this, and that's it, right?
Yeah. Yeah, but how do we select which character? That was a way that I had a
No, we
gotcha.
don't. We're not gonna select the character because we don't have a parser for that.
Oh, okay. It's any char, literally
Yeah,
any.
yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Yeah, I remember that.
We did like we had one when we were following the
Yeah, I remember.
paper.
Like we said, oh no, it's just like I just get the any char, and then I just like bind a thing to it. Like, what's the problem? That was the pragmatic way to go. That's the thing.
No, I still prefer the paper way, but well, we are doing the Zozin way now. Uh, okay, so how do I put this in the repo now? That's the question, I guess.
Just copy, man. Copy paste.
Okay,
By
so
No.
the way,
Yeah.
how do we do that any char? Are we matching with other possible chars? Because we don't have types and
Just
stuff.
no,
short your between the
we're better
beauty.
matching with empty string, man.
Short in the beauty. Yeah, we basically better
Uh,
match
oh,
the yeah, we get the input and then we say, okay, get the input text out of the input.
Yeah,
And then okay, if it's empty, then you just return a failure because there's nothing. Otherwise, you just do a cons with a string, so you get the head and the tail, because a string is also a tuple.
it's a list
Sorry,
here.
a string is also a list.
Yeah.
And then you do tuple, make input on the tail, so the tail is like the next thing that's gonna be feeded at.
okay, like the char in your guy's sense, it's like anything that could be on a any how
String,
can I say
yes,
Any
on
character.
anything on a string. We yeah, we
any char in this language, right? How it's the
yes,
name
Yeah,
LFA, right?
yeah.
yeah,
I personally
like
don't
an
mind that,
emoji.
but Magetta loves this way of doing parsing.
Oh
So
yes, it's amazing. It's lovely.
Yeah, I don't think it's worth it for us to check more than that, right? If you don't have a language that would do that for
Yeah,
us.
man, it's a waste of time.
uh, no, it's not because as
It
you
is,
noticed,
man.
Nathan, you had a problem with semantics right there about a char and a char in the language itself.
No, no, I think it's accurate. We are not saying, oh, it's alphanumeric or something like that. It's on the alphabet and shit. No, it's a char.
Let's test. Go. Whew! Look at this error
That's
message.
quite a nice York.
Yeah, lovely. I can read everything. Can't you?
Error
So
expanding. I think this
many
is an
any char.
important import problem, man.
Run the any char. Just the any char.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna make any char.
Yeah, just that
Yeah, I was
alone.
being too bold, right? Makes sense. And error again.
So we're probably misusing something. Error expanding. Function clause, blah, blah, blah. Can you go down?
Yeah.
Parser, match parser, macro wrap.
Holy man, macro errors look really
Horrible.
bad.
Yes. The problem is that we don't have that much support, man. Like, I don't know, closure that is pragmatic. You have like good tooling to like debug this.
Oh man, I can't take baguette anymore.
Yeah, just run.
Oh,
Yeah, okay. Oh wait,
this
the
works.
input
Nice.
should it be undefined? Okay, that's a position,
That's
right?
a
That
position.
doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Wait,
Okay,
what changed?
Nothing. Just try running the any char. Just any char without input. Just any char.
Oh, okay. You're not using that one.
Dash. Dash.
Oh,
Oh, okay. So do that again. Do the thing again. Go back.
Oh, is that the way you are
Go
applying?
back. Yes. Yeah. The parser run. No, that's right. Oh wait, parentheses in between parser run
oh, this is
and
a
this.
function, right? Makes sense.
Yeah, this is yeah.
Like
This
this.
is a macro. No, no, between the this and the any char, right? You are
Oh yeah.
unpack.
No, no, no. Makes
Yeah,
sense. Makes sense. Makes
yeah,
sense.
unwrapping and then phone call on the beginning
Um,
Fun call
because
like
it's
this.
yeah because it returns a phone and then you apply the phone with the there it is.
Oh,
Run it
okay.
again.
Nice. Now I can
okay,
add the many.
yeah, that looks nice.
Any char.
Oh,
Huh?
Oh,
it's
you
because
need
it's
to
a
apply in
function.
the
Crap.
function. Yes.
I'm letting my Haskell instincts take into too much control.
What do you mean, man?
Yeah, because in Haskell it's
Oh no,
literally
no, no,
that, like many any char.
just
Done.
shush.
Well,
Just shush.
Haskell and any other.
Dude, when it literally said, "Oh, it's because in Haskell," I just closed my ears and I don't not hear it.
Something is really wrong then. Bad form application. Why?
Try running just many and any char.
Without parentheses in me?
Like new line.
Like this?
No, no, no. Control C.
Control
Just run
C.
many. I think I really spot the problem. Many and any char. Just that. Okay, now wrap it in between parentheses and do a parser run on the any char. Parser run.
Wait, parser run in the any char?
Yes. Because you no, actually that will be the function. Never mind. I think that's wrong.
Yeah, no,
Yes.
this
That should be
doesn't seem
wrong. Yeah.
right.
Yeah, try like this.
Oh,
So we have the parser.
we
Okay.
do have it. Why was it not working then?
You tried running exactly like that. Yes, you did. Bad form of application. Try running now this with the parser run. You should get the phone, right?
Yeah,
If you don't, things start to get interesting.
parser run.
hmm
We have the
Okay.
function.
Now try calling it with the input again.
But it's like exactly this.
Let me check
What
the
the
parentheses, man.
fuck?
1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's fine.
Am I doing something wrong with the parentheses?
No, that seems correct.
Parser run.
But that does look a bit disgusting.
Yeah, it's X expressions, man. What do you were expecting?
No, no, no. That's not the thing, man. That's not it.
Fun call this with this bad form application. What?
I don't know where that thing is coming from.
Bad
Doesn't make.
form.
Hey, is the way we are calling the phone call and the last parameter, the last argument?
But we call them the same way on the any char.
Yeah, this
Um,
worked.
no, no, but I mean, oh, okay. Phone call takes the function that will be returned from that, and okay, and the input from the other.
Yeah.
Um, many with any char
Is the function many
or
expecting a parser? Yes. Huh.
wait, what is the return of the make input there?
It's a record.
Okay,
It's
and the parser
this.
run goes on that, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the parser run is basically executing. Hmm. Yeah, but what's triggering me is that this is okay. This is also okay. But picking the function out of this and applying this
It
is not
could
okay.
be. It could be inside the many. Because think about this, like the many might be not unwrapping the thing correctly. Can you check? Let's see here. Many here.
Oh, I assume that we have shallowing here. Is that correct assumption, Lisp?
Shadowy. I don't know, man. Like in Lisp, I think you can assume that, but this is like Erlang Lisp, so I don't know.
Oh, come on.
I don't know. I wouldn't be that.
Okay, so let's put
Shouldn't
primes all over the place then.
shouldn't. But wait. You want to run this with the input? Shouldn't it be phone call here as well?
That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Maybe
So
that's it.
try.
Let's copy this, paste it here. Okay.
Oh no, copies line by line. Okay, now
Now we
the
have an
function is
undefined
unbound.
function loop.
Yeah, the function is unbound. Let's see.
That's a bad
Flat.
sign for flat.
Mm-hmm. Try this.
flat star. Oh man, we should
You
have
got it.
fight a commander, man.
Yeah, you would cringe actually. Note.
You would totally cringe. Uh,
Yeah,
no,
yeah. So loop is undefined.
maybe
Ah
we
man.
don't have flat. That would be sad.
But why do we have it then in the language, like in the highlighting? That doesn't make sense to
That
Yeah,
is
me.
a
but that's
chance?
not an official extension, right? Maybe
Yeah,
a
it's not.
crazy
Yeah,
dude just copy pasted Lisp code extension highlighting it.
yeah. Maybe.
Lemos. That is also the chance of the parentheses are right, but are doing the wrong thing in the sense of
Oh
your flat
wait,
is
it's
in a block that
complaining.
is being
Wait,
ignored, and
I
then
know. I saw the problem. I know the problem because it's complaining that it just has two parameters. So the error is then line this because it has three. It should have three.
Oh, we need to also put the parser here.
So that's
My
a
bad.
wait,
yeah. The function
wait,
has three parameters.
but you
You're
are not,
passing just
but you
two.
didn't updated the thing, right?
Yeah, but the parser is the same all over the
No,
place.
no, I mean the loop up there
So define the function three. Okay.
on
Now
the
I don't know.
on the F flat. Oh right. Oh, okay, you already have the tree there, right?
One, two, three, and then it's saying that undefined function loop three.
Since it's not in the scope.
Maybe, man.
Oh wait, Lemos.
What?
Uh, Let me look at the parentheses. So this closes there. Is this right? Yes, it is right. Let me dent properly. Hmm. Yeah, this closes here. This closes here, and this closes there. Yeah, it seems everything seems correct to me. And this,
We don't even have a line. Yeah, we don't even have a line. Anyway.
yeah. Loop 3 was undefined.
Do you have to pass something like this or something like that? I remember doing something
No,
like this before.
that's for like a function or something. But let's try.
No, but this is a
Oh, hey,
function.
Magenta, what about recursive functions? Do you need a special binding for that?
I don't think so. Oh, maybe. Dude, I don't think we need to. Let's try to make a Fibonacci in recursion. Let's just see.
But, well, try with the F flat, right?
Uh, with the flat. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Try. Okay. Try like this, Lemus, because the flat star allows you recursively to do stuff. So
But
if it's
that's
highlighted,
mutually recursive, right?
yes, but I don't know if it adds the same function to the scope.
Oh, okay, I see.
No, same
No,
thing.
dude. I don't know, man. Recursion. Do we need the recur? Like, do we have this? No, we don't have the word. Actually, it's highlighting, but I think it's just highlighting because as a function, so you could type like any garbage. Well, we can just do it outside if that's the problem. We can try doing that. Do you want to do outside and test?
Yeah, let's do the loop function outside and test.
Do that. I'll try to do a Fibonacci just to study case. F
Okay.
flat.
So
Yeah,
what
we
we
have F
want
flat.
is to basically remove. Oh no, removing this is gonna be terrible, man. The parentheses. Ah,
You can do it, Lens.
sucks.
You can do it, man.
Ah,
We all trust you.
We do.
and this. Okay, this seems to be correct. Okay. Now the major issue, removing the F flat. Okay, so remove one parenthesis from here. Removing this.
Let's just do 0, 0, then 1, 1, then n.
Yeah, this seems to be it. So let's go.
Oh, this code looks like Haskell, man. The pattern matching.
Now we need to call this
Haskell with a lot of parentheses.
undefined function
So
reverse.
a better Haskell, my get.
Oh, reverse.
Reverse.
Try without the thing here. The slash, the arity. Try without the arity. Try just the REPL, like without any
Oh,
rubbish.
okay.
Let me
How you do? Oh, it's like
try
this, right?
running. Oh, wait. See?
Lists reverse is
Let's see.
unbound. Hmm,
Hmm.
that's not a good sign.
It's not a good indeed.
Oh, list reverse slash one is also unbound. Oh no, don't we have this in the version that we're using LFA? That would be really bad.
The OTP version, right?
Yeah. Where is reverse in here, by the way? Wait, there isn't a reverse here, man. What?
Is it
So
Rev?
we're just
Oh no, there is,
assuming.
there is. No, no, there is. Okay. Returns a list of elements in reverse order. Wait, do you need parentheses?
Try running this Fibonacci thing. Let's.
Wait, I'm starting to.
Oh, put list instead of the quote.
Like this?
No, no, remove the inner parentheses, right? It's just list, one, two, three,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
And parentheses outside.
Oh, this is a function, makes sense. And I think you're doing the Lispy way. Undefined function
Remove the
reverse.
slash one.
Oops.
So
Okay.
it works. Yeah,
So it is where it is.
down
List
there.
reverse this. Try to
Try
run the
this.
Fibonacci.
If
Man, but
this
this
is
is an
good.
F flat, like in not which is not inside anything.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Bad argument.
Erlang length any.
Where are you using
What?
that, by the way?
Bad arguments.
Line.
What the fuck, man?
Are you using
Fibonacci.
length at any point?
No, I don't think that's.
What the crap?
Oh, I would be really sad if he's talking about internal shit because you see he has fold there.
Yes.
Maybe he's talking about the fold that he's using to process your code.
Yeah, but let me see, like, bad argument in length any, and then like fold. Where could it be folding? Like I.
Take a look there. Build source, LFE,
Mhm.
eval.erl.
Yeah.
Isn't that
Okay.
like
Yeah,
our
that's
thing that
internal.
we are running our program?
Yeah.
I think that's there, man.
Oh, you mean like the thing has a bug? Well, that's possible, but I think that's very remote.
But I don't know. It doesn't look like an error on our code. At least it could be a or nor code,
Oh,
but they are not saying that way.
oh, wait. I think I know the problem. Just add more
Parentheses?
parentheses.
Oh yeah.
Always the solution, right?
Yes.
Oh!
It
Huh?
worked?
It worked!
What
So the
the?
problem was the reverse. Okay. Just see if my
uh,
Fibonacci is working. Just want to
Okay.
check, man.
oh, this is progress then. We have many. Nice.
Wow.
Just, but wait, you didn't port the function outside, right?
Yeah, no, I did. No, I'm
Oh, you
using the
did.
function outside.
Yeah, check if my Fibonacci works now. I added a parenthesis. Undefined function Fibonacci 1.
That's a bad
One.
sign for F flat, man.
Now with the star.
I think it's the pattern matching that is wrong, actually.
Oh. But wait, what is the error?
Oh, makes. Oh yeah, the error is undefined Fibonacci function now.
But how is the match the problem then?
I don't know. It could be that it's because it's complaining about the argument. You see the arity one. So I don't know. Might be understanding that it's the arity 2 or something like this.
Oh, okay, I see.
What? Oh no, that's right. Yeah, that seems correct to me.
Uh, do we check? I think we also have the LFA in the LFA programming language website. We have an example of exactly that.
Oh yeah, Fibonacci, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, not
we only have
Fibonacci,
that
but pattern matching in a function.
Ackermann functions. Go to functions.
Here.
Functions. Yeah, we have Ackermann.
Def
So
fun.
yeah, it's the same
Yeah, it
garbage.
is the same.
Oh, could it be that we cannot do this with? Oh man, like inside an F flat? Is that possible? Like we cannot do this?
Probably.
Like let's change the F flat to the fun. Okay, and then let's remove this. I now gotta remember that are not in Emacs. Okay, try this.
Error
Function
expanding.
clause.
Function clause.
Remove one per. No.
I think there are
Oh,
parentheses wrong.
no. That's
No, I think they are, man. Look at the argument. It doesn't
yeah,
have a
but
parenthesis
yeah,
in
but
between the
here
name of the
look at there.
function.
No, but dude, look at the. I think the parentheses that is wrong. If it is, oh wait, this is wrong. This is wrong because now it's like that. Wait, and then here it's like this.
What?
Yeah, let's see like
Yeah.
this.
That would be unusual.
Bad
Uh,
argument.
so
Length
there is
Because
10.
another. So the parentheses here.
Wait.
Sure, we gotta learn how to use this, man. Like this is too shitty.
Oh, you added more
So,
parentheses, right?
yeah, add one more
Are you sure?
because
Because the
here's the
Ackerman has a lot of
yeah,
parentheses on the left here.
yeah, but look at the Ackermann. Like it's because they have multiple clauses that evoke a function. So, for example, plus and plus one. That you need parentheses for that expression. But like we just have a loose parameter there, like 0. Like that doesn't require a
Man,
parenthesis.
I'm almost sure that you need to do something like this.
Dude, if you need to do that, I am quitting. Like right now.
If you need to do that, I'm quitting. Oh no, that's a bad sign. It worked.
Yeah, try now Fibonacci 10.
it does make sense. It does make sense.
Undefined function. What? I
So we have exposure of this very function inside itself? We do, right? The Ackermann example shows the calling Ackermann.
wait. What? Fibonacci 10. Am I writing Fibonacci right? Yeah. Undefined function Fibonacci.
Yeah, see, everything seems fine to me. minus. Dude, we can't do a Fibonacci in this language. What the heck, man? I feel like Greg.
It's because we are. Let me just test the thing.
Define function
I
Fibonacci.
can't
Try
see the
passing through.
information.
Try passing through. Like 1, 2. Yes. Like 0, 0. Oh no. Try passing 0, 0.
Undefined function n1. Wait, so it did pattern match. Yeah, so you need the extra parentheses. You see? Because it's trying to find what is n.
Yes.
So it tried to pattern match.
Add that fucking parentheses. That cannot be right.
Okay,
Oh man.
so doing like this.
Oh no.
Which is more consistent, by the way.
Dude, that's not consistent because that's like for a function. Like if you look at any other deconstructing binding in any other Lisp, uh like Emacs Lisp, you have PKs. Like you don't need that, as far as I remember.
No, I'm not saying it's consistent with the other Lisps. I'm saying it's
It
consistent with the
combines.
pattern matching strategy that it's using.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see.
No.
Lemus, go there, man. What is the outer one that you did there?
Where?
The how can I say the pink one that you have outside Fibonacci, right?
Yeah, they removed that one. I don't think we need that.
Wait, what? We don't
Line
need that?
190. Yeah, I don't think we need this one here.
Oh. I think we
Try.
do, man. Look at the argument here.
Yeah, but
Uh,
that's wrapping one sentence. You see?
Yeah, which is exactly what we are matching the
No,
0 and
no,
returning a
no, no,
0.
no, no. What we were doing is this.
Lemus, and I would guess that you don't need to wrap the ones on the right, right? Because yeah, I think it makes sense the one on the left, but
I don't think so. The
because
right
of
as well. Yeah.
no,
Let's
the thing
try this,
is,
man. Try this. Hmm.
No!
Mother. Okay, so it works. So yes, so let's think. Let's always remember that. Let's try with the flat now. F flat, and then this, and then we here. Oopsie. Here. Nope, it's the wrong one.
My cat is struggling with the parentheses, man, so I'm doing great.
Format. Do the thing, Lemus.
the thing,
Oh, no.
man, that's so sad, Magit.
Choices that they decide them well.
Choices, priorities, right?
Oh, no.
Buy a good keyboard, man. I
It
mean, my keyboard is
worked!
good. Yeah.
Yeah, so
So
we have F flat. It's not just trolling highlight.
Oh,
so
okay.
let's fix that. Okay. So here, I even forgot where we were doing that. It was in here, right after the
Yeah,
lambda.
yeah, exactly. After the lambda, we need to do an F flat
So what is the name of the thing? Loop.
loop. Yeah, just copy paste this, man. You should. Yeah.
I need to keep remembering the normal key bindings.
Buy a good keyboard. That's gonna be
Yeah,
the title
I
of the
think
session, man.
no, but I think that the thing is buy a good keyboard for programming. That because I didn't think of that. Like I didn't look at the layout and I saw okay, like this keyboard doesn't have like important keys that I type all the time.
Oh
Oops.
man.
You see, like that kind of stuff happens. Like, all right, wait.
Oh man, best title ever.
Okay,
Buy a good keyboard.
so okay, so inside this thing, we can do our code here.
Which is this?
So just copy. Yeah, just cut and paste. That's it.
Let's see if this works. And Magenta, you can please fix the indentation parentheses.
I,
Yeah, okay. Oh, that's gonna take a while. And the
what
worst
is?
part, oh, here. Yeah, it works.
Okay,
Nice.
so that's it. I knew we shouldn't give up.
The
Okay.
first one to say I will drop if it's like this. Okay, next one. So what is the next one? We have the
It
most
is,
important one, which is many. So,
yeah, we can do
uh,
everything already.
uh, I think we are only missing these two now. So parse
Mm,
while
okay, I think yeah, the parse while I know what it is. I think if it's the same thing
and the
I'm thinking.
parse prefix.
Let's see.
What
Oh
this parse
man,
prefix does, man.
let's
Oh, and
this.
something that I've noticed after the next session was that because everything here is like S expressions all over the place, man, composing the parsers would be terrible.
Yeah, you will. I never thought it wouldn't. Now
Uh,
you're saying that.
Like, man, composing
We
this
don't have curry. We don't have anything, man. What are you talking
um,
about?
would be terrible AF.
well, you can change some stuff in your API to make this better,
Yeah, we
maybe.
can do like we can do some functions like I don't know, a pipe. We can do a curry.
No, no, that's not even the thing that I'm talking about. It's regarding you apply a function on another to return and then be the argument of a third one, right? That third one could take two arguments and apply them inside, right? Then it's easier to call that one. But it doesn't make sense for all functions, right?
Well,
What
we
is
will
that?
see when we start
Oh no,
making composing the units.
is
Anyway,
that? Oh man, that's exhaustive pattern matching in TypeScript. What's the point? Like it doesn't even bother. Like why do people bother doing this in
Oh, it's
TypeScript?
actually really good.
It's
what
a
are you
waste of
talking
time,
about?
man. Pattern matching, exhaustive pattern matching in TypeScript. It's a waste of time, man.
What do you mean?
Yeah, it's TypeScript, man. It's a waste of time. It's
What's happening?
JavaScript. Just give up. Just give up, man. Just
People, we have a
erase.
problem. Can you move?
Once.
My
My
kids have
VS
a
Code
breakdown.
froze.
What the heck? Oh no 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 no!
We're gonna lose. No.
I copied. I copied.
Holy, that was quick.
What's
Oh,
happening?
save this file if you can, please.
Oh, I'm back.
All
Save.
right.
What?
Let me just
What
save here just in
the?
case.
You guys were discussing about TypeScript and I was having a heart attack, man. Oh man, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. You guys are discussing TypeScript? Why, man?
Natan shared something about TypeScript and he tagged me.
Okay. Anyway, well, let's try to discover. Let's do the parse while because I also know what this does. The prefix, I have
Mm,
no idea at all.
just a second. Like, not to inflame too much, Maqueta, right? Not to inflate Maqueta too much.
Oh
But
no, man.
just saying, just saying.
Mhm.
Here it comes.
Continue,
that re-
Natan.
that regarding like Okama and how can I say? And F sharp and maybe even Haskell without extensions. TypeScript has some more advanced features regarding some kind of like almost dependent types, you know.
Yeah, cool. All in the end,
Oh,
for
and
you
I.
to
Oh, by
compile
the
to
way,
JavaScript, doesn't matter.
I
To give
found
it to give in to the enemy, it doesn't matter, man.
refine.
You're
Uh,
still helping the demon.
Nathan. Today I
Mm,
found, man, a package
uh,
called Refine It,
mm.
which is
Refinement types. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what we have
Oh,
in TypeScript.
that's interesting.
basically. Where is the freaking example, man?
You can infer on the on the sheet,
But dude,
right?
if you're gonna do that in Haskell, why don't you do idrays already?
Well, but
Well,
maybe
yeah.
we will.
Dude, F star is very easy, man. Like it's
Oh, here.
absurdly easy.
See? Dependent types.
Oh, that's cool. Dude,
Almost definitely.
I was talking today with Victor. Dude, domain layers, like they are stupid. They're unnecessary if you have dependent types. Like your domain layer is literally the type
Yeah,
system. That's
pretty
it.
much. Anyway, let's continue here. So let's do the while.
Okay. Oh
And
no,
you can
man.
unselect everything if you can. Save this in
Yes.
another file, please.
Oh
But
right. Sorry. Yes.
save this in another file. But now
I
we
did
can
already.
focus on doing.
All right. So let's see here.
This is gonna be in
My
a while.
my golfer friends.
I'm gonna
So
have a predicate.
let's see what Zozin is doing. He gets the length of the thing. He gets a reference I, and he iterates until the length and until you have stuff in the text. What? Input? Why is... Okay, this p function is a predicate function. Okay, never mind. All right, so I get it. And then you increment, and then on the end you just subtract with the amount you took, plus the text on the
Yeah, this is
position
for discarding.
starting for 0 and the position that you removed.
Holy
So
crap!
you
He did
just...
an entire parser just for discarding.
Yes, it discards. Yeah, okay, I understand what he did. I don't...
But wait, folks, isn't that those ones that we are talking about regarding, oh, parse all of this, you discarded, and like bring me the next one?
Yeah, it is. But well,
Yeah,
it is another way of doing that. I would say.
yeah, let's do it. I think it's useful.
Okay.
Yeah, that's not what I was thinking of a while, but that's fine.
Yeah. Also, I wasn't thinking about that. Okay, but then the first thing ever is to just basically copy another. I always forget this step. The first step is always to copy paste another one.
Because it's the same thing. Like
Oh no, that's a bad sign.
if we were in, I don't know, .NET, here's what we could do. We could do interface, and then we could do iParser,
We
and then
don't
we
even have
define,
types.
and we could do an iParser, and then inside the iParser we do something like a method that we override in everything, and we create a hellish API that we cannot even expand it in the
My guess is
future.
going to the dark side.
And then I'm pissed off
What are you
interfaces
talking
everywhere.
about? No, that's not it.
You're doing JavaScript all day, man. What are you saying?
No, I
You're a
actually
hypocrite.
don't.
What are
You're
you
a
freaking
hypocrite.
talking about?
You love
I
JavaScript, man. You're a total hypocrite.
you
What
guys
are you
no,
talking about?
you
No,
guys
no.
you guys are
Don't deny me. Don't deny. You all the time you say, "Oh, look, this is JavaScript package. I love it.
oh man.
Look how bloated it makes the internet. Look, I love it."
Well, he sure achieves stuff.
Dude, I'm telling you, the real reason I got a Sega Dreamcast was to just access internet without JavaScript in it. That's the only reason.
That's even before JavaScript.
Oh no.
Exactly.
Oh man.
JavaScript, I think, is from '98. If I'm correct. Let me see. The Dreamcast
That's
is
from
also
wait,
from
no,
'98.
wait, Magita. It's that from the same year you was born?
Yeah,
That's
I
not
was
a
born.
coincidence, man.
I was born before the.
I think you guys are destined, man.
Actually, JavaScript is from '95.
Oh, okay.
That's unfortunate. I could claim that I was born in the Age of Light.
It's like the opposite, right? Like Antichrist and Christ, you know? Oh man.
Oh,
Subtract.
nice. We have a split width. That's perfect. Finally, a function perfect for something.
Does it
Man,
do what we expect it to do,
when
though?
you
Yeah.
talk like this, talking about like a normal function, it makes me really sad. Like holy fuck, man.
Wow, we have this function. Instead, indeed.
Oh man, that those comments are the best, man. I can't portray. I can't freaking portray, man.
It embodies perfectly the sarcasm. That's what I.
Okay, so we're gonna have to do a. This is gonna have to be a let star, but we can do that this later. This is gonna be the new input that you're gonna make, and
Okay.
according to Zozin, wait, this is. Uh,
This is the new input.
yeah, but this is the reminiscent input, right?
Yeah, so he's getting the length and cutting uh what he doesn't want, right?
And this is the one that
Because
he
this
basically
I think
discarded. Yeah, that makes
this I
sense.
looked at his code as input sub. It removes from the position you are, it cuts. So it's like remove from the position you are until the position you want to
Holy
go.
freaking crap! This function is perfect for this while crap. Okay, let's make it now then. So it's gonna be here. Uh, it's gonna return a tuple. Do we have first? I already forgot. Do we have first in here?
Well, we have
No, no, no,
Have.
we
no, no,
have
no, no,
car.
no, no.
Car.
No, that's head, man.
Car. First. That's car.
List split with uh, and now the parameters, which is going to be the predicate and the content. Now we
It's
need
so
a name.
weird. They write like everything together, like split with.
Now we need to have a name for this. I don't know.
Embedded
Splitted
names. Don't
content.
ask me. Don't ask Nathan for names as well.
Don't ask that. That's for sure.
What do you mean, man? I'm the best one here naming
Yeah, man,
stuff.
you write like
Uh,
names like Java, like it's literally.
Oh man,
uh,
Lemus would say that's pretty accurate.
yeah, that's definitely it, man.
Oh man.
Don't.
So to
Yeah.
get the first is car, right?
Yes.
Splitted content. And now we want the value, which is gonna be this. Splitted.
Lovely. Yeah, but that's a list. Is that the
That's
list?
a list.
Yeah, the value will be a list. Is that what you want?
The
Even when you
value,
have one element, it's gonna be a list. Is that
even
what
if
we
I have
want?
one element. No, but yeah, but I think that's fine because the input is already a list, right? The input
Uh,
is already a string.
yeah, but it's gonna be a list of strings, right? Oh
Yeah.
no, okay, never mind. Because it will be like, okay, I get it. Like, I
New.
think a cadder on a string just returns the tail, right? As a string, it doesn't
That's it.
convert. Yeah.
Magetta, please make this type thing correct, because I don't remember any more sharp notation.
Dude, what the heck,
Types.
man? That's just do Haskell garbage, man. Predicates. You get something, and then you spit a bool, right?
Yeah, makes sense.
And then the parser is,
Yeah, that's it.
well,
The why is this?
it's not for T, right? It is for T. Is it?
Well, here we are kind of Zozing is like hard coding char in string.
Okay, I see. Yeah. So it should be a sec of this, right?
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay.
Okay, so let's test. And let me save this first. Okay.
But yeah, thank you.
Okay, so how we're gonna test this? Maybe it's better for you guys then.
Ba-da-dum, bum,
Um,
ba-da-dum,
oh fuck.
bum, 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 bum,
Okay, so
bum, bum,
let's
bum,
make
bum, 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 bum,
I
ba-dum,
don't know,
bum.
pred test.
Oh, you could do a lambda, man. Just do a crappy lambda.
Oh, okay then. So this is gonna be while, right? And now we need to pass
Hashtag,
uh, hashtag,
comma, a
comma,
quote. Yes,
quote,
quote. And then the lambda. Parentheses.
yeah,
Yeah.
lambda, no
Parentheses.
parenthesis.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't need to say anymore, man. I don't need to say anymore.
And then parentheses here for the body also.
Yeah.
So let's say how you do equal in the here. It's the same
I
as
think it's
in
just equal. Try
char
EQL. Try EQL. I don't think that exists.
like
Yeah.
this.
Yes. Is the string like that? Try the string with like double quotes. I don't think that's a string.
Wait.
The simple quotes. I don't think it's a string.
No, it's not a string, but this is a char, right? We're
Yeah,
doing a
but there's
comparison
no
with a char.
distinction, man. There's no distinction, man.
Okay. Illegal character.
Oh, change the order. No, the order is right. Change the order. Am I going crazy? Like of the quote and hashtag?
You're asking the wrong person.
I
Input text
input
is
text.
unbound. Input
Input text.
text is unbound.
Let's see our function. Input text. Oh, call input text. Remove the call.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's a macro, not a function.
Oh, makes sense now. Let's see.
Okay. Oh no.
That's not a good
Undefined
sign.
function. What? Undefined function what? Split with? Oh no, you gotta be kidding me. You're joking me, man. This is
Undefined
all.
function split with.
Try running the simple split
That's
with. Oh, the
interesting.
gopher. The gopher has arrived.
Oh no.
Try just run. Yeah. Try with a
Oh
sampler.
no, man. Let's make a test function for the predicate. I'm not gonna be writing lambdas all over the
Yeah,
place.
please. And by the way, copy those examples that you're running on the terminal and paste on the file as well.
That makes sense.
So we have
Hello,
it.
Victor. We are doing parsing basically.
Oh, I'm here just for the ASMR.
ASMR.
Okay then.
I'm doing
Uh,
some college activities, unfortunately.
Activities.
uh, input this. Okay, this should work fine. And let me save this.
We're learning little by little.
Okay, so let's test this. So pred test. Let's say A. No. Okay, so we don't have like this.
Equal. Oh no. Try with double. Oh, we have Erlang.
Yeah, but we should have this, right?
Yeah, just try normally, like without all of this garbage. Ah, you're kidding me. Try with double equal.
Double equal. Okay, that's a fair test. It even has a different syntax highlighting, so maybe, who knows. Yeah,
Okay.
okay. So now we can go back, and instead of doing this monstrosity here, we can just delete everything like this.
Just pass equal.
Pred test.
Oh no.
Symbol pred test is unbound.
Oh, function, right?
Yeah, I need to add more parentheses basically.
No. You're calling now. That's wrong. You should pass with the hashtag quote.
Oh, yeah, makes
You see?
sense. I always, I
With the,
always, I
I
always
think,
forget this.
with the arity. With the arity. Although I
With
don't think, I don't know if you need, but try. Yeah.
undefined function split with.
Is split with two
Am I
full.
crazy? Isn't this a thing? Yeah, it is a thing.
Yeah, dude. Try running just a split with without like a normal garbage.
Um,
This is split with. Oh, maybe
uh,
it's the slash two. Yeah, but yeah.
oh no, I can just put this the string. Nice. What the?
Port test. Oh,
Same
again, the
thing. Same thing.
hashtag.
Same
Yeah,
thing. Illegal characters. So maybe it's the opposite?
I don't think so. No,
No.
it's right. You just added it, forgot the arity, I guess.
You mean here?
Arity. No, no, off the pred test.
Oh, you mean here?
Yes, but remove the split with arity.
Are you sure? Oh yeah,
Yes.
you're sure. Okay.
So yeah,
Okay. So this
but it didn't
works.
split.
Oh, maybe this is the problem. I think that our implementation is not doing.
Yeah, but remove
Yeah.
the yeah,
So it's this.
but remove that crap. This last two.
Okay. So let's copy, paste it.
Now good luck.
Good luck. Uh. What? What I'm doing wrong,
No, man, I'm starting to doubt my intellectual capabilities.
man. uh, undefined function. What
Oh,
the fuck?
while 0 was not found, while 1 exists. No, I mean, like, that's not how you call it, man. Like, you see, dude, pay attention what you did. Like, you did while and then no parameter. So it understood as arity 0. And that function doesn't exist. So, and then you tried with the slash 1. But that is not a notation to call a function. That's just a notation to name some garbage.
Okay, so the while exists, right? That makes
Yeah.
sense. Yeah, but I'm so confused now. Why this didn't
Go
work then?
go back to the code. Go back to the code.
Wait. Just test this. Yeah, this is a function. A parser, sorry. So if we do this, if we add another parenthesis,
Yeah.
parser
Fine.
run, this is not a function.
Try calling this garbage. Which is the same thing we did there. So
Yeah,
I didn't.
pretty much.
So it must be inside the thing. Go back to the code. I don't know why I'm looking at your screen.
Because of the
Uh,
terminal.
Try like this, man.
Try like this. Okay.
You're passing as an argument, so maybe that's the root of all evil.
Nope. Bad argument now.
Oh, now it's head. HD. So it's on the car.
Oh. Wait, what?
Yeah, the problem is here.
Yeah, but wouldn't that imply? Look at here. Look at here. Do you see that the head? What's this?
It's a tuple. Oh, we need to pattern match that crap. Because like you see it's a hashtag, so that's a tuple of
Oh, the return of the split is not a list of lists. It's
yeah.
a tuple of lists.
I think actually I don't know if that's a tuple or a hash. I think it's a tuple. It doesn't make sense to return a hash. Look at the Erlang website. What is it? What did they tell us? The Oracle.
Partition
Yeah,
list
it's
into
a
two
tuple.
lists. Yeah, and it is a tuple indeed.
Yeah, that's crap. So we need to better match.
Don't we have something to extract from tuples? I remember that.
I don't know. Can we do car on a tuple here?
I don't think so.
I don't think so as well, but I would love to see that. I don't think they bothered making a function for that because we just better match.
No, but
Yeah, in Erlang, I think you would not find that.
yeah,
Maybe
but
in
this
the
is the type of
Lisp
situation
thing.
where you don't want to pair match because it's
But we
annoying.
can make a function that does the pattern match for us.
It's just
Let me do
really,
it.
really annoying.
Let me do it. You don't do it, I do it. Because I'm not a complainer. 20 year old
Mm,
20-year-old complainer.
He goes to the Hustler University.
Deconstruct.
I'm not a complainer. Oh man. If I had
deconstruct.
the energy and the time, I would just pick all the 30 sessions and cut like as in sequence, Like
Start making
Magenta
YouTube shorts.
complaining.
Right? Start making you.
Montagem.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Complaining
exactly.
montagem.
you're gonna start making YouTube shorts for me, just to humiliate me. Head, tail.
Oh no.
Actually, let's just do head, tail. Oops.
No
Let's
man.
just do Visman.
No, this is a first, man. A first and a second. It's a tuple.
Yeah, okay. First, I was about to do like Okamo like stuff, which is F sharp also does that. But anyway,
And
I hate
Haskell.
them. SML has pretty names, man. It's just amazing. But anyway, no, wait, it's not finished. First, and then I forgot the parentheses again. Oh crap! Oh no, Visual Studio froze to me.
Oh, that's no. It's fine. Here it's fine.
Okay.
I think you got back.
Oh yeah, I can.
Okay.
So let me just see. How do we pattern match in a function? I forgot what is the
Oh, let me
crazy
copy paste
parentheses.
again the only proper documentation of this, which is
The
this.
Ackerman. Okay, so I gotta remember that the first one. So there are two.
The most like frustrating part is that when you look at this website, it seems that they care, right?
Yeah,
But then
it's.
later, when you try to find some obscure stuff, you
I mean,
discover that
I
they
wouldn't
don't.
say they don't care. I just think that they didn't. Well, it's a small project, man. I don't think it's like the Erlang community is already small. Like I think it's not to put a blame on them for that.
People who wants to do Erlang with the Lisp syntax.
Yeah, man. Like it's like the
No, Madantan, look at this
second degree.
website, man. Really seems that they care.
No, but that's exactly what Magetta said. They probably care a lot.
No, if they care, why the heck? Basically, you have to put
Because people
a
Yeah,
have to
lot
eat,
of
man.
man.
people
People
have
have
to.
stuff to do, man. That's the.
People have stuff to do. That's the best one.
Just pay someone on Fiverr to do the website, dude.
Just pay somebody to do the website in Ugu, right? That's it.
Yeah, it's basically this.
Undefined function first now. How nice.
Um. Okay, first. Yeah, it seems correct to me. Try just first. Yeah,
Yeah.
try to test it.
How you do? I already
Couple.
forgot.
Open
Braces?
parentheses. No, open parentheses. Tuple.
Oh yeah. Undefined function. How nice.
So what the heck? Oh
You are
wait,
getting so much,
could he
so many of those.
be this? Try this. Oh man, that's very. Oh, that's ugly.
Yeah, that would be very inconsistent.
Yes.
No.
I think it's understanding as arguments then. Oh, I think I see the problem then.
The argument's down here, man. Look.
But that seems right. That seems consistent with what I'm doing here. There's a parenthesis, then another parenthesis.
And you're missing a parenthesis for the second part, which
No,
is
but
here.
the second part we showed that we don't need, like
Oh,
here.
that's true.
So yeah, this is the function. Why don't we have it?
Undefined function.
Kill me. Just
Undefined
do it.
function. What?
Screw this bullshit.
Oh, Magetta. Now I remember a feature that, man, it's really good. Like, people have it in those kind of languages, like uh, dependent type language and stuff. But I think it's really good for any kind of language. You have a feature that you put like a placeholder somewhere, and then he will execute the code like properly, why, right, without like getting an error and stuff. At least for evaluating the function, and he will print all the context that you have in that moment. So everything that is on scope and such, the type that the thing needs to be,
Mhm.
I think it helps a lot in this case.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's save this. We do have everything that we theoretically need now. Where is... Oh, here. Oh, okay. We got something. It's wrong, but we got something.
Oh man.
It's definitely wrong, this. Uh, let's try split width again.
Yeah. Lists. Dun, 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 dun,
This,
dun, 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 dun. I am going
this.
crazy.
Oh, I don't
Gott
need
en
this.
halte Franz den Kaiser, Franz den Kaiser, Kaiser Franz.
Wait, the split width is
Gott
not
en
working as intended.
halte. Yes, the function is very strange. But what is our pred function doing? What the function should do, by the way?
The function should
Key to a boolean.
partition list into two lists according to pred.
Okay, so
So you do a
show
take
the
while
pred.
the pred is correct, and you do a drop while in the second part, which
Show the
basically
pred
splits when the
again.
predicate starts to be false.
Where is the pred test
And
again?
the pred test is just checking if you have an A.
Hmm. Oh wait. Okay. Yeah, that seems right. We're just monkeys, man. We should accept that.
Monkey brain.
Yeah, man, that doesn't exist, man. It's a failure, Lemus.
Is that a failure?
Yes, you have an evil heart, man. You see, that doesn't work.
Now I'm starting to question if the way that... Wait. We have a function...
I think it's the comparison, man. Like, it doesn't make sense to be anything else.
You think is the comparison.
But like, the double equal worked, right? If you just run like the pred test with a ABC, what does it happen? What
Let's
does happen?
test.
What does it do?
So pred test,
Yeah.
and let's put, I don't know, this A. True.
So you
B,
can do with simple shit. Okay.
false. Which makes sense.
Oh no, man. I see the problem. They're stupid.
Tell me something new.
Wait. Well, no, I don't know. No, I thought. No, okay, never mind. Because look at the behavior. Like it seems like it's just like ignoring everything because you just a second.
Yeah, it pretty much seems that it's ignoring everything.
Yeah,
It's
but think about it. Like, look at what it did. You ran the pred test with an ASDF, right? But then it ignored because this thing is not equals to A. But then I'm thinking, that got me thinking, is the problem now because of the split width is not iterating over the A thing?
yeah, but that doesn't make sense according to the documentation, right?
Yes, but try, was it before with a equal? Oh man, try the following, Lems. Go back there. Remove the simple quote and use double quote on the pred.
On the
No. The definition of the function.
oh here,
Yes.
but it was like this, man.
Yeah, it was. I just reminded myself. Sorry, I just sorry. I'm just like a, I don't know, a senile old man.
Oh crap. False. Congrats. Let's attempt to change this to a Lispy way.
Wait, what the heck, man? I don't think it ran. Dude, it didn't run this. it ran the pred test B. That was the false. Like the Rust thing just escaped the
No,
thing.
no, no. Yeah, yeah, I know. I know, I know, I know. Oh man.
Maybe it's 4 p.m. Time to add the lambda.
No,
Wait,
I refuse. I will make the pred test true. I don't know. I'm gonna put it's equal to 2. Whatever. I don't really care. Let's save this. I don't care about the error. Here. Okay, that's cool. And now in here,
no, not about cool, but that's fine.
pred test 2. And then we need to
List.
delete this.
Yeah,
Put
list.
list.
Yeah, typed. Remove the enclosure that is automatically ignored.
Which is good, right?
Yeah, quite pragmatic, convenient.
Unbound.
Hashtag, hashtag, quote. Yeah. So it just doesn't work with strings.
Which is
I
kind of
feel like
hilarious if you think
do,
about it.
do we have like a string equal? Could be that, man.
That's a good question. So strings.
I'll go have dinner. I'll be back in 50 minutes.
Oh, we do.
So try using that. Probably that's the issue. The comparison probably doesn't work on strings. Oh, actually did, right? I don't know, man. I don't care anymore at this point. Anyway, I'll be back.
Oh man, that's great. What? Now I'm confused. Doesn't this work? Yeah. The Hey Nathan.
Hmm.
No function clause matching. No function clause matching. And this is so weird. Yeah, this is working fine. Why the lists split with? It's not working.
Mageta.
No, Magetta is he went for dinner.
Oh.
This is really confusing.
What is the problem?
We're still trying to decipher why trying to match a string is not working because we tested with numbers and it worked. Like look at here.
Okay. Wait. Can you repeat that again from
Yeah,
the
so we
beginning?
tested the split width function with a different predicate for numbers and make a list out of numbers. And that worked. But
Okay.
apparently, it's not working for strings.
Okay, are you doing the predicate function with chars?
Not anymore. We tried that already.
Well, because it should be chars. If I remember correctly, in Erlang, string is a list of chars like in Haskell. Maybe the syntax that we are using was wrong for char.
That's definitely possible. Although I would find that really unlikely. Because you already tested this. And this worked.
But what does that has to do with the syntax for char?
Because you already tested like let's try it here for a sec. So I'm gonna put the double equal there.
But do we know how to write chars in? Oh, it doesn't complain.
Yeah, it doesn't complain at all. Okay, so I'm gonna put the sharp B here. See? Okay.
Okay. Um.
And
Oh, and you are saying that
this is broken.
this is broken.
Yeah.
Can you explain how the split width works?
Yes. So it's basically a combination of a take while and a drop while.
It's always a combination in Erlang.
No, but this is
Holy
the
crap.
way I think that even in Haskell would be implemented. It's pretty elegant, by the way, this function.
Let me see the split width.
Because it's literally like in Haskell, it's actually a little bit better because in Haskell you do like this, man. Like in Haskell you do like take, mapend, drop. You do like this, and it just works. Here you need to do in like, of course, you need to do in separate terms. Where is the split? Oh, this is for string. I went for lists. Oh, here. Wait. Maybe there is a split just for strings. That would suck. Yeah, there is.
String characters.
Okay, so
Uh,
split string where search pattern is encountered and return the remaining parts.
direction.
Where default leading indicates whether the leading, the trailing, or all encounters. Yeah, but that doesn't matter. So
Like we need a predicate, right?
string split. Let's just try that, just for a sec. Instead of this, let's put string, and instead of split width, we're gonna just split.
Wait, but it doesn't take a predicate, right?
Yes, it does. It is a search pattern.
The search pattern. Uh, let me. That's not the predicate that we are using, man. That's something else.
Oh
This-
no, you're right. Yeah, this is already setting the predicate as equality, right?
I'm not
Ah.
sure it's as equality, but
No, yeah,
some
it is,
kind
man.
of.
Like it's here is the symbol that I want to stop.
No, I mean a pattern. It's not exactly equality, right? Like, I
No,
mean, you're not writing the literal there that will match as equal. You can do a pattern. I think it's more general, right?
yeah, but I
But
think
yeah,
it's trying
not
to
a
find this
predicate.
pattern and stopping. So it's
Yeah,
using equality. Man, okay, so that's because I was saying that I was happy, right? I said we found the perfect function. But the perfect function for
can,
this
can
job,
you can you go a little back? Like, what are we trying to do with this split width in the first place?
we are trying to mimic this while parse while implementation.
No. More specific. Like, what is the operation that you want to do with the split width? Like, the line of code that you want to achieve.
I want to be able to say pick this string, pick this predicate, and pick the characters until the predicate stops giving true. And then at that
Oh,
point, you're gonna
okay.
have one string, which is the ones that pass through the predicate, and the second half of the string, which is going to be the predicate phase failing.
Okay, can you show me where you are using? Well, how does the split width works on the documentation?
Yeah, so it works like this. So we have an example
No, I
here.
mean, but documentation, right?
So this
Just
spread test true is basically saying equal true. So until this is being equal to true, accumulate for me. This is equal to true. This is equal to true. So this is in the first half.
okay.
And then from this is the first occurrence where the predicate is false because true is not equal to 3. And then from now on, everything else is the second half. That's it.
Okay, what about the user case of the string? What are
That's
we
the thing.
passing pretest?
We are passing equal to A.
Okay,
So this should be
and
doing
what is the
A,
pretest?
A. Oh, sorry?
What is pretest?
It's a
Like, can
function
you
that
show?
does equal to A.
Uh, okay.
So this is trying to,
Just
should be
show me the
this.
pretest. Like, where is the find?
Here, man, equal to A.
Good feature. Yeah, that looks just fine.
But this
Just
doesn't work.
did you?
Which kind of means,
Oh, okay. Maybe. Ah, fuck, man. It cannot even be like a different kind of comparison because it's also a primitive type. So,
well, it can, but that would suck.
well, sure, yeah, it can. Well, we could test like other kinds of equality, right? Just to be sure.
But I'm thinking about implementing our own split width now. Do we have take? Yeah. So string characters. How does this work? Takes characters from string as long as the characters are members of the set characters. Why would anybody make a function like this instead of a predicate? Holy fucking crap. Okay. Okay, so take is useless in this case. Uh, split also doesn't work because it's using a search pattern and not a predicate at all.
But wait, for our case, it's okay, right? We just want to like match a specific.
No, we want two things. We want to match and we want to split at that point.
But what I mean is, if your predicate it's like putting equal to something, then it's okay for you, right?
Yeah,
The
but look at this.
stake.
Do you see that we are losing characters in the middle of the way? Like these two dots, they were lost because they matched it.
Oh, okay.
Which doesn't make sense. But
It actually does a lot of sense.
no, man. If it
No,
should
no,
be just do a split. It's not only
Lemos.
splitting.
No, Lemos, just for a second, man. If you have a string intercalated by dots, a split on the dot, it's supposed to really return like all the different things between the dots. Like that's what people would expect.
That sounds more like a filter to me than a split.
Filter. Oh.
Lemos,
Go.
I mean,
what
for a string,
is
right? Not for a
what
list.
are you expecting from the split? Sorry, I'm not paying attention.
Yeah, so the whole point is we want to make this function. This function already exists, but apparently doesn't work with strings, only with lists, aside from strings, because here strings are also a list, but for some random reason it's not working. We want to make this function here called split width, which basically do a take while and a drop while following a predicate. So if you are like in here, you see, so this predicate is equal to true. Just imagine that it is equal to true. So it's picking this list and oh, this is equal to true, so accumulate. This is equal to true, accumulate. This is the first guy that is different than true. So everybody from now on will go to the second half. of the split.
Oh, I see.
We want exactly that but for strings. But for some random reason, it doesn't work with strings. Although in Erlang, strings are lists, right? Uh, so now we're trying to, I don't know. I think we're gonna have to implement our own split width, man, which is really sad. It's just because I was happy for a moment.
But it's the
You're
predicate
still on
that
the
is
split
not
with, man. Just do it.
Market is pissed off already.
So, Magetta, the
Hmm.
hypothesis that is more like higher chances is that this works with lists that are not strings.
Can we convert a string to a list?
That's a good
To
question.
each character?
I think it's already a list.
No, yeah, I know, but can we convert it
That's a
like
good question.
explicitly? We can make a
Uh,
function that does that.
Where is? Oh, here.
No, I think we can do a fold in that, so we can like,
Map,
yeah, man, let's do a fold. That's it.
subtract, take while.
Stop doing on scrap, man. It's
All
useless.
all the useful functions are in the list thing. In the string.
It's useless, man.
Oh, no.
Just do a fold that catches everything and appends to a
To
list, an
interface
accumulator.
flow to flow. Yeah, we can do that, but well, I was trying to think in another way of doing that dumb way.
Think outside the box, right? For people.
Chars.
Chomp. Look at the names of the function, man. Chomp. What does chomp do?
Chomp.
Eats parts of the string.
Returns a string where any trailing have been removed. That's a very weird name for this functionality.
Okay, I don't. Okay, why is this chomp? I don't know.
Nobody knows.
I think of the Mario, like the chomp chomp. That's the only thing I can imagine on this, but which doesn't make any sense. Like
Leximes. Oh,
list
this
of
is
Leximes string,
place, right.
Leximes
R string, what's
substring.
this? No. Substring, take
Right.
to float. Don't have a to list here. That
Ah,
sucks.
screw lemons.
Oh, you're gonna make the function. Oh, no.
Yeah, man. Stop wasting
Why
time
all
on
the
this
useful
crap.
functions are in the list part and not in the string part? If strings are lists. That's just sad.
Um, I don't know. Object.
Map. Can we apply a list map to a string? Hello?
I don't know, man. I'm not paying attention. I give up already.
You gave up. You freaking gave up.
Yes. Got a problem?
Pragmatic, I would say.
Yeah. I cannot even make my. Cannot even like. Oh man, I cannot even like. I don't know. Keep this up. Like this is too cringe. What are the parameters of foldel? Can you look for me?
Yes, I can. Okay, so for L, it has the function, accumulator, and a list.
And what is the order of the function? Is the element then the accumulator?
Yes, it's like that. Let me just test a thing. So then I can. Where are you doing this, by the way? Oh, here. Okay.
And here should be the object. Try this.
Wait, I just want to test this just a last time, just to kill my curiosity at this point, because this doesn't make any sense at all. Okay, so let's suppose that I want to do pred test 3. This works! What?
What the fuck?
This doesn't make sense. So it is a list, but why I can't use split with then? That doesn't make
Can
sense.
you try to just spit A there
Uh,
instead on
Lemos,
the
that is
pretest?
still.
Oh, I think it kind of makes sense, dude. Just spit like. Actually, no, it doesn't. It's just replacing, right? Oh, okay, that's a map. Yeah. Okay, I saw. I
Lemos,
misinterpreted.
there is still a chance that we have a problem with the predicate regarding like equality or something. Do we have a function on the standard library that could serve as a predicate?
That's a good question.
Oh man, this website that you share, Nathan, has low star, man. And it has good examples, man. I like this.
But do they talk about the version that they are using and stuff?
No, probably, and but it didn't change that much though. I saw a guy that he was using some stuff, and the Emacs package they made warned you about any change. So
Okay.
like, it's pretty good. It has auto completion and everything. Just run the thing that I sent, man.
Oh, okay,
Just do the
sorry.
dumb. Just do the dumb approach. Again, list. Yes, that's an awesome name for a function.
Illegal character.
Oh, wait. Don't
That's
you
kind
need
of weird.
the? Don't you need that? Well, remove that thing. Maybe you don't need that.
Remove what?
Remove the yes this. I don't know. That looks like a button to me. Does that remind you of a button?
Okay.
I don't know what I'm saying, man. I'm just saying whatever. Okay, now run with a string. It's an awesome name for a function. I gotta agree with that. So okay,
It
it's a string.
reversed the thing also.
Nice. Because of the cons, yeah.
Yeah, so try to use fold R to compensate for that.
Yeah. But man, like if we cannot take while, like this is stupid, man. Like why does some list functions work and one of them in particular doesn't? Like it doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah, Nathan has a very good guess, which is that we are doing the comparison wrong, which is possible.
How is the comparison function there? Look at the wimpy code, the list, the documentation.
No, but this is Erlang.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, man. Just look at what the predicate function
Do we
does.
have a filter that would be useful to find an example? We don't have a filter. Uh, split. No. Oh, this is string. Sorry. We want lists. Here. Probably here we have a filter. Yes. Okay, so the way that it does.
Yeah, filter would be not optimal at all.
We don't have a. How they're not. They're using pattern matching, man. Fuck. Where is the split? Here. Yeah, they're
Let's see.
using double. Double equal.
So they take just a function and a thing.
Yeah. So it doesn't
Yeah.
make sense at all.
Can you? Well, man, I'll do an
Wait,
example
but
here.
they are using the equal that you are talking about for comparing characters?
Sorry?
Are they using the comparison operator that you are talking about
To
to
compare characters?
compare?
No.
Yeah, yeah. Then it's not a. Why don't you test just the equality operator on characters? Like
But we did!
besides,
Let
oh,
me
you
try
did?
it. Yeah, let me try to show you again.
But what
Uh,
is the signature of the function, by the way? It's just equality, right? Just bool.
uh, yeah. See here, Nathan.
What about the AA? Do we have a type of?
No, I have the type of.
Well, why don't you? That's a dynamic language.
The signature of the function is just bool.
Because you could check what is the type of the thing that you are receiving through the split tweet, right?
Oh wait, Lemos.
There's
Oh
the
man.
rabbit operator.
Wait a second. Yes, I was about to say that. Try.
There's no freaking way.
The
There's no freaking way.
rabbit operator will save us. Try. Separate.
No.
Try without the the simple quote.
Try without a simple quote.
No, man. The A.
The A. Oh, using double quotes, you mean?
Yes, I made a function that does that shit. Separate, man. I did a function.
Oh, separate. Sorry. No, no, but I am not out like rot reloading or stuff like that. So
Yeah, whatever.
no.
Why, dude?
Oh man. Oh man.
Can you add a IO print inside the thing, the pred test?
Yeah.
IOF right? Do that.
Uh. Wait. Can I do that like randomly? Because I already. I think we need to use like something like prog in Lisp.
No,
Is that a thing
inside
here?
a function you don't.
Oh yeah, Commander said that. So IO F
Format or F right, F right.
F right.
Remove that evil thing. Remove that evil thing. Yes,
Char.
and then in list. It's
Sorry.
a it's a list. So back quote list
Back quote
list.
list.
No, open
Oh,
parentheses.
list like this.
Yes, and then a comma before the char.
Oh man.
Beautiful. That's how you print in good languages.
Debatable.
97.
97.
That's. Oh, what the fuck? Check equals 97.
Uh,
Instead of A, check 97. But why only once? That's my question.
so 97.
Yes. Motherfucker. Yeah, I mean, why? 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 What the fuck, man?
Why somebody will make this design decision, man? Why? Oh no, man. Oh no.
You tried with the string equal, right? And nothing changed.
Yeah.
Is there
Uh,
like choose string function, like something like this? Choose string?
yeah, I think there is in the string thing two integer.
Why? Dude, why is that default? Like, that's my question. Why would you choose that, man? What the fuck? Like,
Yeah.
dude, this is like a root for bugs. Like, this doesn't make sense, man.
Yeah, this doesn't make sense.
Oh no, I
What?
think this is an arithmetic computation
Oh,
inside. Like 1 plus 2.
I forgot.
Yeah. Try A plus B. 1 plus 2. What the
Wait,
fuck?
what?
Dude,
I'm
I
That's
don't
parsing
understand.
confused.
integers, man.
I'm confused.
I think that's parsing integers, man.
Oh yeah, could be.
Yeah, but now what?
Now we cry.
Oh no. Now we cry. That's not a good sign.
Prefix bed, laying, join, left, slice, lowercase, is empty, char. We have a char and chars. What is the difference?
Okay, so the chars returns a
Return the
string
string
consisting
consisting.
of number of characters
Ah,
character.
will fuck itself. Returns the index of the first occurrence of character in string. Yeah, fuck this.
Oh no, man. Characters in Erlang are not characters. They are already there. Ask.
ASCII representation. I don't know if it's
Uh,
Unicode, probably not.
well, I think this kind of okay, let's try then the while now.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Because that kind of doesn't matter because we know that the
I mean,
A is going to be 97.
that's very trash, man.
No, but I don't know how we're going to solve the while though. Because the while is kind of assuming that you're going to pass a character.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to tackle this at
Well,
some
we
point.
can convert the character to a number, right? To an ASCII.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So the while
Mm.
works.
Okay, so all of his trouble just because of a stupid comparison. Good. Good.
Oh wait. This is wrong.
Why?
Because this should be the input, the remaining input, and this should be the value. It's doing the opposite.
Oh, right, it's the opposite, right? Yeah, it's inversed.
So where is the while? Here.
Oop,
So we just switch this
flip.
guy and this guy. And okay, we have the while. Nice.
Hey, now I just like the prefix, which I don't want to do. Because look at the function.
No, but
What the
that
fuck?
no, that seems fine.
Okay, it's not that horrible.
All of
Is
this
there
is
a...
just for getting the length though.
That
This
looks... Okay, yeah, that's
and
fine.
then okay, so
Yeah.
he's getting from the input, he's slicing to get the same size as the prefix. Oh, save Magetta. My VS Code
Oh
froze.
no. No.
Copy paste this
What the
somewhere.
fuck? There.
Okay, keep waiting.
Why is this happening, man?
I don't know. At some point in time, it's wet drama to the
Oh
Oh
experience.
fuck,
yeah.
man! Look your RAM. Check your RAM, man.
Nathan has nightmares.
8.8%.
Dude, I remember talking to Nathan, like, and literally, like, App Sharp would turn off, like, his computer would freeze and he had to restart. Like, it was horrible. Horrible days, Nathan.
Oh, okay, I'm back. Okay, then he's comparing the prefix of the
Save.
input with the prefix of the parameter.
Save. Please save.
No, save. Then he's getting the rest of the input if it matched, and then he returns the prefix, and it froze again. Oh, now it's back. And then, yeah, man, this seems pretty fine. Like, pretty fine. It's just I don't know, a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Okay. It's fine to
It's
me.
pretty fine. Yeah, but we
It's
already
just
we already reached the 2 hour mark, so I think we're gonna call it a day. We did 2 parsers of the
what
basic ones.
and they were oh man, and they were quite hard actually. They weren't that easy. I mean, like they don't look that hard. The problem is like getting around the crap
LFA
imposed.
ness.
Yeah, but it was good. I actually enjoyed doing this.
Yeah, pretty fine. The
Okay,
only thing
so
that we
what?
need to get around the sharp problem though.
Yeah,
The while will not work
I think we
because
can circumvent that if we can convert a string to a number already on the function. Then we can just send the character there and it wraps it. Because the problem is the comparison, right? So I think we can make that work.
oh, so wait, the comparison. What do you mean with that?
Like we can case. That would be very cursed though. Like with all the letters in the alphabet.
You mean convert all the input into numbers?
Yes.
Oh no,
Yes. But
that
that would
that
be
would
very
be
stupid.
terrifying.
Yes. Oh well, and just in case we can put like not I don't know how to do that.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna commit this. So how do I get out of this?
What do you
No,
mean?
like this.
Oh, remove the Ackermann function.
Oh, yeah. Let's remove stuff.
Oh, you already removed. Never
Yeah,
mind.
but
Yeah,
we
that's
can.
it. Just leave there, man. Just leave it there. Just comment, because that's useful.
Okay. What else?
Those
We can. I think we can
spreads.
only remove this.
Char 97. That's
Char 97.
the defeat, man. That's the
All
ultimate defeat.
all these are all implemented already. So should I? I'm not gonna keep these.
Yeah.
These are all like implemented with a lot of like quotes because we didn't test it.
Leave it there. This is the wrapper. This is a sample.
Yeah,
Implemented. We never tested it. We never
the other one
bothered.
is
But
better. Yeah, this seems fine. Okay, okay, let's do like this.
the gopher
Uh,
went away.
so added while and many basic parsers.
See.
Master, okay.
Romana perligata. Alternative thinkers. You gotta be kidding me.